that is ethyl alcohol and methyl alcohol. Next, best example of aromatic alcohol, that is phenol, So ethyl alcohol topic is completed in previous class, and today we are going to discuss about phenol or aromatic alcohol. So phenol, one of the aromatic alcohol, phenol. Now phenol formula C6H5OH, phenol, and it is also called hydroxy benzene, and it is also called carbolic acid, or hydroxy benzene or phenol, formula C6H5OH. So best example of aliphatic alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol and methyl alcohol. Next, best example of aromatic alcohol, that is phenol. So general phenol formula C6H5OH or carbolic acid or hydroxy benzene. Okay. So next, preparation methods. Of phenol. Very important. Preparation methods of phenol. So first method is very simple method. From chlorobenzene. Okay. So generally chlorobenzene formula C6H5Cl. So this is chlorobenzene. And chlorobenzene react with sodium hydroxide, formula NaOH. So at 623 Kelvin temperature, and 300 atm pressure. Very simple. Chlorobenzene plus sodium hydroxide, formula NaOH, at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atm pressure. So very simple. 1 mole of sodium, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is NaCl, sodium chloride. And remaining answer C6H5OH, our compound phenol, that is C6H5OH, phenol. Compound name is phenol. And very important reaction, that is from chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene formula C6H5Cl plus sodium hydroxide, formula NaOH, at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atm pressure. 1 mole of sodium, 1 mole of chlorine. Byproduct is NaCl, and remaining answer is phenol. And it is also called Dow process. DOW. It is also called Dow process. Okay. So first of all, phenol formula C6H5OH, and it is also called carbolic acid. So preparation methods of phenol. So first method is from chlorobenzene. So chlorobenzene plus sodium hydroxide, formula NaOH, and the temperature is 623 Kelvin, pressure is 300 atm. 1 mole of sodium, 1 mole of chlorine, NaCl. Remaining answer phenol, formula C6H5OH. So first method from chlorobenzene. And second preparation method of phenol. And second preparation method of phenol, that is important. Second method from cumin. So first method from chlorobenzene, and second method from cumin. So generally cumin formula C6H5CH3 CH3. So this is cumin, and it is also called isopropyl benzene, and commercially called cumin. So actually isopropyl formula CH3 bond, CH bond, CH3. So this is isopropyl group. And aromatic ring, that is benzene C6H5. So isopropyl benzene, same formula. CH3, CH3, CH, CH, CH3, next aromatic ring. So cumene or isopropyl benzene. And further oxidation of cumene, that means addition of oxygen atoms. So then cumene converted into very simple aromatic ring, okay. Next CH3, next CH3, and remaining 2 oxygen atoms and 1 hydrogen. First oxygen atom, second oxygen atom, and 1 hydrogen. Okay. So first of all, benzene ring. C, carbon, CH3, 1 hydrogen atom, 2 oxygen atoms. Okay, 1 hydrogen atom, 2 oxygen atoms. And this is cumene peroxide. So this is peroxide bond. So it is also called cumene peroxide or isopropyl peroxide or cumene peroxide formula, very important formula. So benzene ring CH3 OH. So it is also called cumene peroxide. And further action of it, very simple. First of all, byproduct. So byproduct is acetone. CH3 C double bond O CH3. So byproduct is acetone. Formula CH3 C double bond O CH3. So byproduct is acetone. And remaining answer, byproduct is acetone close. And remaining answer C6H5 OH, our compound phenol. That is C6H5 OH, our compound phenol. Okay, so this is second preparation method for the phenol. Okay, so very simple from cumene. So cumene formula or isopropyl benzene formula C6H5CH3 plus oxygen molecule formula O2. Then cumene converted into cumene peroxide, and this is peroxide bond. Actually peroxide bond. So this is peroxide bond, cumene peroxide. And further action of it, then cumene peroxide directly converted into phenol and byproduct is acetone. So first preparation method of phenol, that is from chlorobenzene, and second preparation method of phenol, that is from cumene or isopropyl benzene. So very important preparation method and previous 4 marks question. Okay, cumene to phenol. First method from chlorobenzene and second method from cumene. Next, third method. Okay, so first method from chlorobenzene and second method from cumene or isopropyl benzene, and third one from aniline. That means aniline to diazoxide chloride salt and diazoxide chloride salt to phenol. First of all, aniline or aminobenzene formula C6H5NH2. Aminobenzene or aniline, important formula, aniline. And aniline react with diazotization agents, that is sodium nitrite, formula NaNO2, sodium nitrite ITE, plus 2 moles of hydrochloric acid, 2HCl. So aniline react with diazotization reagents, that is sodium nitrite NaNO2 plus 2 moles of hydrochloric acid, 2HCl, at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. Then aniline directly converted into benzene diammonium chloride salt N2 plus Cl minus. So compound name is benzene diammonium chloride salt. Benzene diammonium chloride salt. Azo means nitrogen compounds. So C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus, compound name is benzene diammonium chloride salt. And further water molecule formula H2O or H plus OH minus ion. Very simple, H plus ion and Cl minus ion. So byproduct is HCl plus dinitrogen molecule. Remaining answer C6H5OH. That is our compound phenol. So very simple. First of all, aniline formula C6H5 NH2, and aniline react with diazotization reagent, that is NaNO2 plus 2 moles of HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. Then aniline directly converted into benzene diammonium chloride salt. Azo means nitrogen compounds. Azo means nitrogen compounds. So this is benzene diammonium chloride salt. Next one, further benzene diammonium chloride salt react with water formula H2O or H plus OH minus ion. So very simple, H plus ion and Cl minus ion, HCl and dinitrogen. Next C6H5OH, our compound phenol. Okay. So first method is from chlorobenzene. Second method is from cumene or isopropyl benzene, and third one is from aniline to diammonium chloride salt and diammonium chloride salt to phenol. Okay, aniline to diammonium chloride salt to phenol. So this is third preparation method of phenol. And last and final method from benzene. Okay, so first preparation method from chlorobenzene, second one from cumene, and third one is from aniline, and fourth one very important from benzene. Okay, so benzene formula C6H6. So this is benzene. Okay, benzene formula. So benzene, and benzene react with sulfuric acid, formula H2SO4. Benzene react with sulfuric acid. Then benzene directly converted into sulfonic benzene or benzene sulfonic acid, C6H5SO3H. Compound name is sulfonic benzene or benzene sulfonic acid. So this is sulfonation of benzene, one of the electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, actually electrophilic substitution reactions are 5 types: halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Sulfonation means aromatic or benzene react with sulfuric acid. So benzene react with sulfuric acid and benzene directly converted into sulfonic benzene. And further sulfonic benzene react with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide formula NaOH, one of the base. Then sulfonic benzene directly converted into sodium phenoxide, C6H5O minus Na plus. Compound name is sodium phenoxide. Formula C6H5O minus Na plus. And further this compound react with hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid formula HCl or H plus Cl minus ion. So very simple, Na plus Cl minus. So byproduct is NaCl. Remaining answer C6H5O minus H plus ion. So remaining answer C6H5O minus H plus ion. That is phenol, our compound phenol. Okay. So first of all, benzene formula C6H6, and benzene react with sulfuric acid, then benzene directly converted into sulfonic benzene, and further sodium hydroxide, and sulfonic benzene directly converted into sodium phenoxide, and further hydrochloric acid or H plus Cl minus ion. So very simple, Na plus Cl minus ion, NaCl, and remaining answer C6H5O minus H plus ion. So compound name is phenol. So these are preparation methods of phenol. Okay. So very simple. First preparation method of phenol, that is from chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene, and it is also called Dow process. Dow process. And second preparation method is from cumene. From cumene or isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene. And third preparation method is from aniline. From aniline. Aniline to benzene diagenyl chloride salt. Then benzene diagenyl chloride salt to phenol. And fourth one is from benzene. From benzene. Benzene to sulfonic benzene. Sulfonic benzene to sodium phenoxide. Then sodium phenoxide to phenol. Sodium phenoxide to phenol. So these are preparation methods of phenol. Only fourth method. So first method from chlorobenzene, C6H5Cl, chlorobenzene plus sodium hydroxide. Second method from cumene formula, isopropyl benzene. Next third one from aniline to diagenyl chloride salt to phenol. And fourth one is from benzene to sulfonic benzene to sodium phenoxide, and sodium phenoxide to phenol. So these are preparation methods of phenol. Very important topic. So preparation methods of phenol. Okay. And next topic. So preparation methods of phenol close, completed. Next one. Heading. So preparation methods of phenol completed. Next heading, properties of phenol. Properties of phenol. Properties of phenol. Preparation methods of phenol is completed. And next heading, properties of phenol. Okay. So first property. Very simple. First of all, react with sodium metal. Sodium metal. Okay. Sodium metal formula Na. First of all, our compound phenol formula C6H5OH. Phenol or hydroxybenzene or carbonic acid phenol plus sodium metal. Sodium metal formula Na. But 2 moles of phenol next to 2 moles of sodium metal. 2 moles of sodium metal. Very simple. First of all, byproduct is 2 hydrogen atoms. That means hydrogen molecule H2. 2 hydrogen atoms. Remaining answer 2 moles of C6H5O minus 2 moles of sodium. So 2 moles of C6H5O minus 2 moles of Na plus. Okay, so 2 hydrogen atoms, so byproduct is H2. Remaining 2 moles of C6H5O minus 2 moles of sodium. 2 moles of C6H5O minus 2 moles of sodium, and compound name is sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. Okay, actually sodium ethoxide formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, ONA. See sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide. And sodium phenoxide formula, C6H5O minus Na plus. So sodium ethoxide, sodium phenoxide. Okay. So sodium methoxide formula CH3CH2 ONA, and sodium phenoxide formula C6H5O minus Na plus. So first property reaction is sodium metal. Clear? So 2 moles of phenol C6H5OH react with 2 moles of sodium metal, 2 hydrogen atoms. So byproduct is hydrogen, and remaining answer 2 moles of C6H5O minus and 2 moles of sodium phenoxide. And next one, reaction with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. Sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. Very simple. First of all, phenol formula C6H5OH phenol plus sodium hydroxide formula NaOH, sodium hydroxide. So very simple answer. 1 mole of hydrogen, next 1 mole of OH. So byproduct is water, H plus and OH minus H. So remaining answer C6H5O minus Na plus. So remaining answer is C6H5O minus Na plus. O minus Na plus. Compound name is same, that is sodium phenoxide. So first preparation method, same react with sodium metal. So main product is sodium phenoxide and byproduct is hydrogen. Second preparation method, react with sodium hydroxide. So main product is sodium phenoxide, but byproduct is water. In first reaction, byproduct is hydrogen molecule, but in second reaction, byproduct is water molecule. Water molecule formula H2O. Okay. So first property, react with sodium metal, and second one, react with sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. So first one react with sodium metal, second one sodium hydroxide. Third property, that is action of sodium hydroxide, NaOH and methyl chloride, alkyl halide, formula CH3Cl. Okay, right. First of all, very simple. Our compound phenol, generally phenol formula C6H5OH. C6H5OH. So this is our compound phenol. Formula C6H5OH plus sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. So very simple. Phenol react with sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. So already completed. So 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of OH. So removal of water minus H2O. So remaining answer C6H5O minus Na plus C6H5 okay O minus Na plus, and compound name is sodium phenoxide. Compound name is sodium phenoxide formula C6H5O minus Na plus, and byproduct is water formula H2O. Okay, and further sodium phenoxide formula C6H5O minus Na plus, compound name is sodium phenoxide. Compound name is sodium phenoxide formula C6H5O minus Na plus. Sodium phenoxide react with methyl chloride formula CH3Cl. First of all, action of sodium hydroxide. Second one, action of methyl chloride formula CH3Cl, one of the alkyl halide. Okay. So first of all, phenol to sodium phenoxide, and further sodium phenoxide react with methyl chloride formula CH3Cl. So very simple answer. So 1 mole of sodium Na, 1 mole of chlorine Cl. So byproduct is NaCl, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. Remaining answer is C6H5O minus CH3. So very simple, C6H5O CH3. O CH3. Compound name is anisole. Compound name is anisole. Anisole. One of the ether, aromatic ether. Aromatic ether, that is anisole. Not aliphatic ether. Aromatic ether. Compound name is anisole or methoxy benzene. Methoxy benzene. Clear? So third property, action of sodium hydroxide and methyl chloride. First of all, phenol plus sodium hydroxide, H plus and OH minus and mole of water. Then phenol converted into sodium phenoxide and byproduct is water. And further sodium phenoxide formula C6H5O minus Na plus methyl chloride CH3Cl. So 1 mole of sodium, 1 mole of chlorine, byproduct is NaCl. Remaining answer anisole, one of the aromatic ether. Okay. So first property is sodium metal, second one sodium hydroxide, and third one is action of sodium hydroxide and alkyl halide, that is methyl chloride, and product is aromatic ether, that is anisole. Okay, so first property sodium metal, second sodium hydroxide, third one sodium hydroxide plus methyl chloride, and fourth one very important property. So react with nitric acid, nitric acid. So generally nitric acid formula HNO3. Okay. First of all, our compound phenol formula C6H5OH. Compound name is phenol, and phenol reacts with nitric acid. So generally nitric acid formula HNO3, but dilute nitric acid. So heading reacts with nitric acid. Okay. So phenol reacts with dilute nitric acid. Then phenol directly converted into orthonitrophenol. Ortho position. So orthonitrophenol. And second one is very simple, same phenol but paranitrophenol. Compound name is paranitrophenol. So condition very important. There is dilute nitric acid. So phenol reacts with dilute nitric acid. So then products are orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. So this is ortho position. Next ortho, meta, para position. So paranitrophenol. Second one, same phenol formula C6H5OH, phenol C6H5OH, but concentrated nitric acid. Nitric acid formula HNO3, but concentrated nitric acid. First one is dilute nitric acid, and second one is concentrated nitric acid. Concentrated nitric acid. Then phenol directly converted into trinitrophenol. Phenol formula C6H5OH, but trinitro, NO2, next NO2, next NO2, trinitrophenol. So compound name is trinitrophenol, and it is also called picric acid. Very important reaction. Okay, so dilute nitric acid products are orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. But concentrated nitric acid product is only one product, that is trinitrophenol, and it is also called picric acid. reaction with nitric acid? First condition important, dilute and concentrated. So in dilute nitric acid, products are orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. But in the presence of concentrated nitric acid, product is only one product, that is trinitrophenol. Trinitrophenol, and it is also called picric acid. Picric acid. So this is nitration of phenol. Nitration of phenol, dilute nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid. Okay. So presence of dilute nitric acid, products are ortho and paranitrophenol. Next, presence of concentrated nitric acid, product is trinitrophenol, and it is also called picric acid. Picric acid. Okay. Next one, reaction is bromine. Bromine molecule formula Br2. Next, reaction with bromine molecule. Fifth property, bromine formula Br2. So sodium metal, sodium hydroxide plus methyl chloride, nitration, dilute nitric acid and concentrated nitric acid. And next one, reaction with bromine molecule. So bromination of phenol. Okay. First of all, phenol formula C6H5OH phenol plus bromine molecule, bromine formula Br2. In the presence of organic solvent, that is CS2, carbon disulfide, CS2, carbon disulfide, one of the organic solvent. Then phenol directly converted into, say, orthobromophenol, and second one is para-bromophenol. Next one, para-bromophenol. So ortho position, bromine atom, so orthobromo, hydroxybenzene or phenol. Next, ortho, meta, para-bromophenol. So first compound name is orthobromophenol, and second one is para-bromophenol. Orthobromophenol, next one para-bromophenol. Clear? Same nitric acid. So presence of dilute nitric acid. So products are orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. Same presence of organic solvent, that is carbon disulfide. So products are orthobromophenol and para-bromophenol. Second one, same phenol formula C6H5OH. But phenol react with same 3 moles of bromine molecule. In the presence of inorganic solvent, that is water formula H2O, and 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. First one, presence of organic solvent like carbon disulfide. Second one, presence of inorganic solvent like water. So presence of carbon disulfide or organic solvent, products are orthobromophenol and para-bromophenol. Same presence of water or inorganic solvent. So product is very, very important. For example, removal of first hydrogen, removal of second hydrogen, removal of third hydrogen, 3 hydrogen atoms, and adding of 3 bromine atoms. So 3 hydrogens and 3 bromine atoms. So byproduct is HBr, hydrogen bromide. And remaining answer, very simple answer, aromatic ring, OH. Next, addition of first bromine atom, addition of second bromine atom, addition of third bromine atom. And the compound name is tribromophenol. So nitric acid, presence of concentrated nitric acid, trinitrophenol or picric acid. Same presence of water and bromine. So tribromophenol. Very, very important. Halogenation of phenol or bromination of phenol. So fourth one, nitration of phenol, orthonitrophenol, paranitrophenol. Concentrated nitric acid, trinitrophenol. Same bromination of phenol. So presence of carbon disulfide, phenol directly converted into orthobromophenol and para-bromophenol. Same presence of water molecule or inorganic solvent. So So phenol directly converted into tribromophenol. So very important property, reaction with bromine molecule. Okay, here carbon disulfide, ortho and parabromophenol. Next 3 moles of bromine with water molecule, so tribromophenol. Okay, so first property sodium, second sodium hydroxide, third one sodium hydroxide plus methyl chloride, and fourth one nitration of phenol, and fifth one bromination of phenol. Okay, next. Next, coal-base reaction. Coal-base science name reaction, not coal-base electrolysis. This is coal-base reaction. One of the most important name of reaction in organic chemistry. It is coal-base reaction, not coal-base electrolysis. Coal-base reaction, only coal-base reaction. First of all, phenol formula C6H5OH, our compound phenol, and phenol reacts with sodium hydroxide formula NaOH, sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. So H plus ion, next OH minus ion, removal of water, remaining answer C6H5O minus Na plus. So C6H5O minus Na plus, and compound name is sodium phenoxide. Okay, sodium phenoxide. So phenol to sodium phenoxide. So first of all, phenol C6H5OH plus sodium hydroxide formula NaOH, H plus ion and OH minus ion, removal of water, C6H5O minus Na plus, compound name is sodium phenoxide. Further, sodium phenoxide react with carbon dioxide. So generally carbon dioxide formula CO2 carbon dioxide, and presence of H plus ion. Then phenol directly, sodium phenoxide directly converted into ortho-hydroxy benzoic acid formula C double bond OH. So compound name is ortho-hydroxy benzoic acid, and it is also called salicylic acid. So C is coal-base reaction. Very important name reaction. So in previous question, so very simple, phenol formula C6H5OH plus sodium hydroxide formula NaOH, H plus ion and OH minus ion, removal of water, and remaining answer sodium phenoxide. And further carbon dioxide formula CO2 and H plus ion, then sodium phenoxide directly converted into ortho-hydroxy benzene plus carboxylic acid, so benzoic acid, and it is also called salicylic acid. So this is coal-base reaction. And next most important name of reaction, that is Reimer Tiemann reaction. Next most important name of reaction, that is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Important reaction. First of all, same phenol formula C6H5OH phenol, and phenol react with chloroform formula CHCl3. Chloroform formula CHCl3. So this is chloroform plus 3 moles of sodium hydroxide formula NaOH at 65 degrees Celsius temperature. At 65 degrees Celsius temperature, So salicylic acid. Okay. So first of all, phenol formula C6H5OH plus chloroform formula CHCl3 plus 3 moles of NaOH at 65 degrees Celsius temperature. 65 degrees Celsius temperature. 65 degrees Celsius temperature. Then phenol directly converted into orthohydroxy benzoaldehyde, C double bond OH, orthohydroxy benzoaldehyde. So compound name is orthohydroxy benzoaldehyde, and it is also called salicylic acid. It is also called salicylaldehyde. It is also called salicylaldehyde. Okay? And byproducts are very simple. 3 moles of sodium, next to 3 chlorine atoms, 3 NaCl plus 2 moles of water. Okay? So first one is coal-based reaction, and coal-based reaction main product is orthohydroxy benzoic acid, and it is also called salicylic acid. Next, the second one, Reimann-Tiemann reaction, and Reimann-Tiemann reaction main product is orthohydroxy benzoaldehyde, and it is also called salicylaldehyde. First one salicylic acid, second one salicylaldehyde. So carboxylic acid, salicylic acid. Aldehyde functional group, so salicylaldehyde, and it is also called orthohydroxy benzoaldehyde. And byproducts are 3 NaCl, 2 moles of water. So very important neighborhood reactions. First one coal-based reaction, second one Reimann-Tiemann reaction. Phenol formula C6H5OH plus sodium hydroxide, then phenol converted into sodium phenoxide. Further carbon dioxide and H plus ion, and sodium phenoxide directly converted into orthohydroxy benzoic acid, carboxylic acid, so benzoic acid. And it is also called salicylic acid, not salicylaldehyde, salicylic acid, because carboxylic acid functional group. Next one, Reimann-Tiemann reaction. Same phenol formula C6H5OH plus chloroform formula CHCl3 plus 3 moles of sodium hydroxide at 65 degrees Celsius temperature. Then phenol directly converted into orthohydroxy benzene plus aldehyde, orthohydroxy benzoaldehyde, and it is also called salicylaldehyde HYDE, and byproducts are 3 NaCl, 2 moles of water. So this is coal-based reaction and Reimann-Tiemann reaction. Most important neighborhood reactions in organic chemistry. Okay, right.